prayer. Nagsabi sa mga Spirit, Amen. Blessings Lord sa mga pagkaon. Kung sa mga bagong ngayong Christmas na 2025, dalain niyo peace of mind, Lord God, harmony sa kinabuhi, o good health, tapos color na sa mga sila, kung sabi sa mga i-usap sa kinabuhi. Kung Ginoo, pinipagka maglatag sa mga nourishment, kung lalo magdakong maayo si Gray, si Kaden, o binutan sila, o maayong status. Si Cedric, o maabot niya the wholesale life, as well as JG, o the rest sa family na nakakaroon sa video karon. O, siyempre naman sa among bagong i-welcome na itong family. Lord, salamat yatag niyo sa mga si Darius na butan na bata. Lord, gaya siya o dito na future, gaya siya o protection na hindi siya mapang sa mga negative elements sa kinabuhi o tagaimi o minut nga journey sa mong life sa 2026. Actually, salamat Lord sa 2025. This we ask through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray!
Okay, sige, magkuha na mo pagka-octane. Magkuha na mo.
Isa na may service na.
Para at least G, magdala po yung sa astrology.
Ang target niya.
Piliya si Kuya Chris.
Ikaw yung pilihan kayo. Bata-bata.
Kuya Chris, okay. Mature.
Okay, tapos na namin conclusion.
Nice to kayo dito.
Kailangan magpakalalaki siya.
Kailangan mapakababae sa traffic.
Magpakalalaki sa ka, G.
Magpakalalaki siya.
Ano, hindi mo.
Basta magkuha niya sa tomboy na lalaki.
Sila hindi pa uminom nito. Hello. Hello.
Nakuha rin si Gray.
Ay, kabutan ni Gray.
Ba't yun na namaw ko ang Gray?
Wah, kabutan ni
Get one, guys, get
Pisa,
one.
get one.
Wow. Gray, just give it all.
Get on,
Get one na rin.
Go on,
Alam ko
I
lang
get
din
two.
ako ng M&M.
Kaya lang yun na magkapon.
Okay, share. Share.
Ako na ikaw, Kaden.
Asa ka na ako? Ito si Gray. Ito ko lang yun na. Dito daw siya. Kakawa na guys. Ayun na. Ikaw. Kaya, kuha na rin, Ben. Parang napod na.
Lumpay. Ikaw yan.
Kaya mo na.
Uy, wala yung patilo ng tsokolate na po. Okay, sabi ko.
Press, sumod na kayo pati mga ko sila.
Patilo natin ko kanina. Mag-init sa 1 week.
Mag-init na? Palingot kung galing ka.
Okay, butas sa bala. Yan. Yan mabilis siya gabi.
Basta bibili siya ng chocolate sweets.
Tap water lang mo yan.
Oo naman, hindi lang ganit.
Kuya Grace, ambil mo sa phone niya, be. Magpa-airdrop ko. Para send ako sa GC.
Alright, everyone, good evening. May I please have your attention? This season is all about love, gratitude, and sharing blessings. Tonight, we want to say thank you to each and every one of you for being part of our family gathering this year. To make this Christmas even more special, we have prepared a simple tokens of appreciation from our family members. These presents. Palakpakan naman dyan! So when your name is called, please come forward to receive your Christmas gifts. Let's give everyone a big round of applause. Merry Christmas all. Alright. Okay.
Okay, go!
Okay. Alright. So, I'm gonna choose this one, alright? Lumayan. Later. Yes. Wow, Tommy Helm figure.
Tom Hilfiger.
Alright, this present is from Kayden to Ray. Picture.
Picture.
Alex, picture. Sign sa camera ni Ray. Yeah. Okay, open your gift.
Open the gift. Open.
Open.
Next year, nahanap ko isa matamatamba. Stop, down shop. Nabangin daw si Green.
Okay, help Ray to open.
Okay. Wow! Yeah, thank you. Say thank you, say thank you. Hey, say thank you, hey, say thank you.
Alright, what do you say to Kayden?
Thank you.
Yay! Wow, very appreciated. Alright, this is from me. This is from me, so this present is for Alexander Gray. Happy birthday! Yes, open the gift now.
Open the gift.
Wow, pag doon si Gray ay.
Okay, excuse me.
Okay, open Gray. What do you say, Gray? What do you say?
Alex, what do you say? Lapa.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, from Goals! Wow!
Say thank you.
What do you say, Gray? Okay, this one. Alright, this is from Joy and Rolly and Kayden. This is for my beloved brother, the whitest of all, Greasy! Yay! Open.
Happy birthday lagi.
What did you say to the Baraki family?
Thank you.
Yay! Yo! Alright. Okay. Next one is. Wow, this is the big. This one is so big. Maybe this one is a vacuum. Alright, this is from Breezy. Alright, from Breezy to Baby Kayden. Yay! Kayden! Go. Kayden! Give Kayden. Okay,
Okay, Kayden, come here. Kayden.
Open.
Yes.
Open. Yan na. Okay, then it's open na. Kailan?
Give for you, that's for you. Wow.
Thank you. Okay, yay!
Yay!
Para mabisi.
Mag-iisip na ba? Oh,
Okay.
Wow.
Next year siguro.
Alright. This one.
Yan. Dito na ko lang yung Peter. Para masok.
Alright, this is from the Durante family, Tita Cards, Rolly, and Kaden. This is for Baby Darius. Alright. Any participant to receive the bill?
Okay pa mo.
Alright, the father of Baby Darius. Come here. Honey, what did you say? Thank you. Unbox.
Open.
Open.
Okay, open. Okay. Wow!
Okay, what do you say?
What do you say?
Yes. Oh, dami kalat ah. Basura nyo, tapok nyo. Charot.
Tapok lang.
Tapok lang. Wala lang yung mga names nila Kuya Carl. Oh, so, yeah. Okay, last na si Ana. Doon naman ito si Bill. Alright, this is from T2 Crazy to Baby Gray Alexander. Good for you, come on, go! Wow, ano kay Goy? Okay, open. What do you say to Crazy? Yes. Okay, unbox now. Wow, it's a card. Alex, there's a camera. Watch camera. Ayuda. Okay. Alright, this is from the Durante family. This is for a gift of Grace. Wow, Tommy, wow. Okay, what do you say to the Durante family?
Thank you.
Yes. Open. Sesame. Wow, dami basura natin. Wow, dami din.
Yeah, ikaw na lang magkakaroon na.
Okay. This is the, I will choose this the biggest of them all. Oh my goodness.
Naman mo diya tanan.
Ang laban ng Jackie.
Wow! Malagpakan naman dyan! Ano yung malagpang way kung padaotan eh? Hindi ako aircon siya. Alright, this is from Carl's families to Kaden. Open your gift.
Open, this is yours. This is for Kaden.
Wow!
Wow!
Wow, naman mag-unboxing mo. Family of Carlos. Wow, it's a card! Wow, mag-bright na ka, oh. Wow! Yay! Okay, what did you say?
Thank you. Give. Oh, give the one.
Okay, yung present. From Ate Joy to Ate Rolly and Aiden. This gift is for Carlo. Second. Alright. Okay, what do you say to the Rocky family? Thank you. Wow. Open it now. Wow. Perfumes and t-shirts. Wow, that's so sweet. Wow, this one is Victoria's Secret. Who wants Victoria's Secret? Okay. This is from Aiden. Kaya ang Aiden mo ka na makashopping siya para naiakon sa family. Alright, this is to Ate Kati. Ate Kati, naingin si Ate. From Aiden. I love this. This one is very colorful. Alright, this is from Ate Joy Rolling Aiden. So this one too. It's me. Wow. Thank you. Jar t-shirt. Well, thank you. More from LA. Next time, mag-try na ko palata. Thank you for the Rocky family. Commercial break, guys. Alright, this is from me, from Tito Cedric to Baby David. David! 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 Here for you. Wow! What did I say to Tita? It's around time to rock and roll. To rock and roll. One more thing. Wow, car again. Coming car up. Uy, tumaan to yung mga diba? Alright, this is from the Rocky family. We have to join a Rocky from. So this one is for Gigi. And there's a message, advance happy birthday. Come here, Gigi.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Ate.
Okay, what do you say?
Ready. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Kuya.
Okay. Reveal. Give reveal to the camera.
Dili na ko lagi siyon kay ko from ni Ate ang sudanan. Wow.
camera. So what do you say? Okay, let's give reveal. Wow! Welcome viewer. Yes. Okay. Let's proceed to the others. Alright, this from Carlo and Angelo too. This is for me. Thank you. Ay, taray, kailangan ako rin. Thank you. Orban. Alright, this one is something from parents of David. Yay! Have your present. What do you say? Alright, this from Ricardo and Angelo to my wife's brother. Crazy! Okay, what do you say?
Thank you so much.
Yes! Give reveal! Oh, say! Maybe we should put our name on it.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy.
Yay! Alright, this one is from Kaden. From Kaden. So this gift is for Mama Luena. Okay, Luena. Alright, what do you say? Alright. Wow! Perfume from USA! Alright, this gift is from the Rocky family, Auntie Joy, Rolly, and Kaden. Okay, this gift is for my Auntie Angelo! Yay! Okay, what do you say? Yay! Give reveal! Unboxing! What education ang unboxing to yun? Wow! Bukod tayo! Wow! That is from Los Angeles, USA. Wow! Salamat sa pang-ayuda! There's still 4, 4, 5. Exchange gift lang.
Yan, bagay siya mga
Bakit di mo
Junior!
Reveal the
Gano'n
dream.
ko, ay, pag hito
Wow.
sa lyrics, me.
Bebe, masabi.
Reveal the dream.
Okay, what will you say?
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about this. Feeling mo white na.
Why?
Wow!
Wow, papakabot na ako pala eh.
Yes!
Pumot na ako pala.
Everyone.
Uy, Shane,
Thank you.
What na?
Pumot na ako pala.
Isa pa. Alright, enjoy your trip for a while so let's see who's the lucky winner. Okay, ready na guys? Alright, the last game of all. Your feeling special mo. Nagsubin to. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
I hate to remember and wish I could forget what you did. Greeting card.
Oh, ano mo gusto mo? Okay. Okay, this person is for... Yes! Congratulations, Ted! Yes! What do you say? Okay, let's unboxing the gift. Wow! Yes! Yay! Yes, ito mabulong sa akin. Pangkalahatan. Yes, motherhood. Okay, thank you. So, one more gift na here. So, thank you so much for everyone for attending the Christmas party. Nakapay ko mo. Bibilan. Ang isa. Ay, chichina. Okay, thank you so much for attending the Christmas party. Sino ba magbalik?
Tagalan na ako, me.
May bibigay yung face mo ang si... O Garfield! Ay, ito.
One thing you think I'm really good at. So dapat ka mag-answer.
What is one thing that she is really very good at?
My answer.
Eating.
Good genes.
I think Army
Adventure.
is
Planning. Traveler.
silent but bright.
Tekate.
Silent achiever.
What is
Silent
one
achiever.
thing?
Silent achiever.
Achiever. Okay, yan. Come ate, you join. You, Zach, come Jairus.
Jairus.
Come, let's join.
What is one goal you have for the year? I don't know, to live.
What?
Huh?
Another goal. What's the other goal?
You know that?
Aside from living.
Aside from living,
Everyone's live.
Past school, I guess. Get a girlfriend.
No
That's
guessing.
no
And
guessing.
get a baby.
Have a baby.
Have a baby.
Getting married.
Okay,
So
what's the tikati? Wala na lang. Wala na
Ako naman wish para sa iyo.
Okay, your
Sa iyo,
turn.
mama.
Zach.
Can have
Granddaughter.
Listen, Zach.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be with?
Historical figure. Dinner with.
Who?
Historical.
Darius, Alexander, Xerxes,
Dead or alive?
Christopher Columbus.
Historical.
Historical.
Winston Churchill for me.
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill.
Why?
Because he was the Prime Minister during the Second World War, and I'm very proud of the way he led
The people.
the English people through the war.
Oh, right answer. Okay, what's your answer, Zach?
I would probably say
Yeah.
Freddie Mercury. Oh,
Ah,
yes. The one who sing Queen.
okay.
Rhapsody. She's a good singer.
I have one, but it's gonna be so.
Who is it? Who is it?
You're not gonna know who it is, but John Nicholas II.
Oh, who is he?
Russian prince.
Russian
Oh,
prince.
Russian prince.
MacArthur.
MacArthur.
What's your result?
Nasa resta.
He's so bad.
Who are they?
He's so bad.
So bad.
Oh, Kate, your turn. Oh my God.
English, English. English only. English only.
English only.
What is a hobby you wish you had more time to pursue?
Make love.
Make love.
Make love.
What is
Hobby.
What is a hobby that you wish you had more
Ay,
time
wala
to
siya kasabot sa
pursue?
question. Ingon nari ko make love.
You had more time to do it other than aged care.
Make love.
Make love. Hobby.
Make love.
Hobby. Make love.
See, I told you. I told you.
Okay.
Make love. No, it's make love like cuddling something.
Dili online shopping ha, make love yun.
With a happy ending. Cuddling with a happy ending.
You grab one, Pete.
Kapit, you grab one. Not two,
Joker
but
only.
one. Yeah.
What is your least favourite house chore to do? Picking
Mop.
up the dog poo.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's my least favourite.
Bilang ko Becky, ako yung
Set
pinakasayo.
up.
Ako yung pinakasayo.
Take the one already,
Who is gold for us?
Ito man yung pwede mo ng pangbaraha. If you had a crystal ball, what would you look into the future to see? Obviously.
Become.
Win the Powerball!
Powerball.
Powerball.
Not
And share
win
it,
Pero wala.
the number, Powerball.
and share it with the family.
Yes.
Yes, I can. 100 million?
It's 20
I'll pay all your mortgage.
It's 20 million tonight.
Not interested.
Wow, how much is that?
What's the number?
20 million. Oh, what is the best gift you have ever been given? What is the best gift you have ever? I think the personalized cups that I give to all the staff.
Wow.
You know why? Because they felt that I feel important because it's not generic. It's personalized.
Oh, it's personalized.
With
Wow.
their
I
name.
gave
With their,
everyone, yeah.
with their name?
Wala na sa inyo ha.
With their names. Each one of the staff got their own cup with name Catherine.
Ate, dili na mga pa.
No need customize.
So that you know the reason why? So that we will know who will not wash these cups.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Jenny lost her mug.
It's a
Because
that's your problem.
it's a sticker. Maybe some
Jealous.
it's a sticker.
No. Her cup is still at the work. It's in my office.
Last night we looking.
Why is it in your office?
Oh, si Jairus natin.
Okay, then, go.
Jairus, go.
What did you love or hate about your first job?
Don't go.
Go for Macas.
First job was Macca's, yeah. What did I hate about it?
Earning too much money.
The customers.
I worked in the kitchen, so I didn't have to deal with it.
I thought like the customers, I want to kill one.
Here's one. No matter how good I did, the manager would always find something wrong with what I did.
Funny.
No appreciation, but it's always
Yeah.
How wrong
Oh, your
is it?
turn, Chris, again.
Never satisfied.
It's your turn again.
Kaya Chris, wala pa ka kaya.
No, ano sa Scorpio? She is the first one.
Scorpion?
This is the first
Lahi
one.
naman na imo. How-
Why is always animals, wilderness? Why is always same question? Am I an animal or something?
Because you like animals.
Look, how long would you last alone in the wilderness? Last time exotic pet. Well, maybe I will last.
Crazy with you alone.
Well, I can last for lifetime.
last forever for a lifetime.
Because I've been there.
Like in Berluch.
In Berluch. In Berluch.
I told her.
Ikaw, Jay, ikaw, Jay, ikaw, Jay.
I was driving, I was complaining like, what kind of regional is this?
What is the best compliment you have ever received?
The best compliment.
Best compliment.
I'm pretty.
Over. Really.
Wait, no, you know sometimes
I know. Your mom said.
you look so much pretty.
Who said?
Like someone in the workplace, like
Oh.
only for today. Like only for today.
Do you need to justify it?
Di, confirm daw ni kaya Chris.
Just confirmation and verification.
You
Okay.
just want to confirm.
Yeah, confirm.
Can you please say it?
Because my mom said I'm the most handsome in the family. So only my mom said that.
Joy.
Oh yeah,
Ate
because
Kati
no one in
doesn't
the
look
workplace
like a
appreciate
girl
your
in it.
beauty.
Only my
That's
mom.
why.
No.
Ala, delete yun.
That's why you
Your
question
favorite
mine.
holiday, why?
Oi, listen.
I think all my holiday, I cannot pick one because all the countries that we went to are very special.
Wow.
Because
What makes it special?
Because I'm with my husband, my very sweet.
And every birthday, Ate No, we go
And
to
with my family, yeah. When we went to Thailand, it's very special because
And my husband
And-
has lots of credit cards.
yeah, I can buy everything.
Oh, so lucky.
Yay!
So lucky.
Thanks to credit card.
Where is the most beautiful place you have visited?
Just
I would
Gold Coast?
say.
Because I haven't been anywhere.
My mom doesn't.
I'm answering for I'm answering for Ian. Just Gold
girlfriend's
Coast,
house?
Australia. I haven't been anywhere than that.
Cranborn.
He was not with us when we went to Gold Coast.
Casey Park.
Casey Park was nice. I don't know.
Or maybe my room. You can just like play there for a whole day at
That's where he
night
spends
for
most of his
24 hours.
Uh,
I can answer it.
I think room.
We have lots of suggestions.
oh,
You cannot even think about
With
it.
my girlfriend recently.
I would say the.
in her
It's a
room.
bit difficult to.
I would say the Flagstaff Garden. The Flagstaff Garden was pretty.
I love dating that.
Stuff. We haven't been
We haven't been there. Once you get to Tig-alan mo sa train station, Flagstaff Garden.
Okay. Thank you, Yan Yan.
Kati, you give you to your mom.
Yes, okay.
Maybe pass the one on.
You read.
Kabalo ko dapat mag-grade 1.
Okay. What song reminds you of me?
What
Or
song
what song best describes me?
What song? What song can you describe?
I will survive.
Yeah.
Beautiful in white.
Yes.
Like a virgin.
Or Destiny.
For me, Material Girl.
Destiny.
Material Girl.
Material Girl, made in China. All China orders online.
Okay,
Some
so
boys
now,
use
Don't mix it up.
Don't mix it.
Don't mix it. Don't
Put
mix
it.
it.
Put it.
Zach.
No, on the top one.
Very top.
Okay, Peter.
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 Material Girl.
Like a virgin.
Like a virgin pa dyan. Which is like happy kind.
What are
4 years ago daw.
What are 3 things on your bucket list?
First,
First
3
water.
things on my bucket list.
What's bucket list?
Three things I like to do before I
What do you want to
die.
do? Yeah,
Three
that's
things you
bucket
want to do
list.
before you die. It's on your bucket list.
I don't want bucket.
Ah,
I want
dili pa man yan. Sa imo sana.
I don't know bucket list.
I don't want that.
Bucket list.
I'd like to own a Valiant Charger.
Valiant Charger.
O, i-order na online.
Always wanted one of those. What else?
Kuan mo
Gee,
ka diba
that's
ka na
hard.
Ninoy Aquino?
I like to fly in a
No.
Spitfire.
What?
Spitfire. It's a Second World War aeroplane. They have two-seaters. You can
okay.
fly in.
Because it's impossible now. There's someone that you can still do.
Mami, kuan na, good si Kidin ko.
Still do here in
Yeah,
Australia.
Oo, kuan lang kay focus.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm pretty happy with everything I've got. There's nothing really left.
Nothing really left.
At my age, there's nothing really
Maybe you
left.
wanna try. Maybe you wanna try. What do you call this? Paragliding or bungee jumping
No, I'm a scaredy cat.
or skiing or
Roller coaster.
parachuting.
Roller coaster.
Maybe travel.
Just travel
Oh,
cafe.
ikaw na, unsa ni?
Kuya!
Kaya, Zach.
Roll, ikaw na, roll.
I'm very boring.
Okay, Rolly.
Rolly.
Wala lahi nga kahit ka na mas complex nga questions. Lahi ba ko yung
Wala ka ng personalize,
ka complex?
Oh, ikaw na yan.
Gusto niya kang answer sa wilderness?
So, mani ako mga ano eh. Malisod bang kain niya ako, ha? If you could invent something, what would it be? So, ko invent?
Wala lang ako.
Automatic whitening machine.
Automatic
Automatic.
No, that can benefit. That can benefit for yourself, not for
automatic.
the other.
Automatic nappy changer.
Or maybe a tablet that you will lose weight straight away.
Yeah.
You know, or maybe a soap that when you go to the toilet, when you come out,
Yeah.
you already.
Another thing is a nose elevator.
Sa'yo mo yan. Sa'yo mo, ha? If you could invent something, what would it be?
Invent for something. Oh.
Like,
These are hard questions, aren't they? So
Yes,
I know.
yes,
Can benefit.
yes,
I think maybe that
computer,
will
yeah.
cure a cancer.
Yes.
Yes.
Can cure
Mental health
Oh,
problem.
maybe. Cancer can be cured, but
Mental-
HIV.
HIV. I don't have HIV.
HIV.
I wish there is a cure.
No, because
all the illness na lang.
all
All the
illness.
illness.
Doctors have a cure.
But what will happen, everyone?
Unsa?
Every time we live.
No, no one will suffer.
No one will suffer anymore.
We will die peacefully.
Maybe, okay. That's great.
And
Yung opal card kay is meaningful.
So, next one kay Chris.
Oh, where's the card?
Zach and
Sila. No, sila.
Back to
back to you.
Back to you.
back to me. Not wilderness, not pet. This is about me.
Sa kubag, wala.
Okay. My God, I hate this.
Nothing sa kubag.
Describe yourself in 3 words. What 3 words will you use to describe me?
Black.
3 words. Okay. Black.
Maybe white egg.
White.
Blacker and black.
But the other way around.
Okay, so myself, I describe myself. Oh!
Maybe we will.
Handsome.
Pete, you describe him one, and then we will gonna describe
Okay,
him.
I describe Chrissy as
Kati-kati mo na tubig.
masculine,
Oh, thank you.
masculine, friendly,
Yeah.
Tubig niya kati.
and masculine, friendly, and geez, what else?
Wealthy.
What else?
Formal.
That'll do, formal.
Thank you, Kevin.
Ano ta ka pang clinical manager doon eh.
I believe only in 2 words, not the 1 word that's mentioned.
Yung magsige na
Three
lang
things,
nagpanin.
love, to describe your brother.
Funny. Funny, and he's a good cook.
Thank you.
Yes. And he's gay.
Okay.
Fat.
Maybe in my
Fat.
room,
Black.
Physical.
Not white.
Physical appearance, wala nga na daw inner
Gay.
nila ang ano.
Oh,
yung-
gay.
yung-
Ay, dyan yung sa drawer.
Funny.
Wawo.
Thoughtful.
Ah!
Black.
Black. Ay, no, black.
Handsome.
Oh! That's my sister.
Handsome din kaya. Pretty man ka,
My
di ba?
mom said.
I think I can describe you as very no, very persistent. And
Manager na yan, ha?
determined.
That's
Kaya morning yung
manager.
i-upload ko eh. Morning yung i-upload.
No, di na anak upload ni.
Yan ang i-upload ko.
Yan ang
Morning yung i-focus on niya kay nice yung comment.
So you want me to give...
Uy, open naman.
And you know what? Even if he is he's got something going on, he's very resilient. He will say no for an opportunity.
He will say no for
You will
opportunity.
not say no for any opportunity.
Of course.
You will always say yes.
Yes.
Galing-galing mo naman.
Yes,
Yes.
galing-galing naman ng
Yes, man.
That's my manager.
You're a yes man.
That's my manager.
Yes man.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
No room
Yes,
for
man.
no.
Yes man.
Are you sure, Kuya?
Thank you, Tibel.
You're
Are you
welcome. Okay, you describe me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no negative, okay?
Rich.
Rich?
Rich because
You want money?
we afford to buy
iPhone.
iPhone 17.
This is loan. Second.
And yeah, funny.
Am I?
And
Got.
flirty. Oh, flirty.
Flirty. Flirty. I can't.
Way to meet his
This one is
date.
very
Yung ginailog niya ang gina-recommend sa ako.
This one is
Sate.
different. It's very meaningful.
Ginailog niya ka nang gina-recommend sa ako.
Alam mo, meaningful na
Ginailog
pa.
niya.
Wala, listen to ayun.
Te, mausisiman ako.
No, this is meaningful.
Te, I can blame because
Kung saan mo playing.
your part.
Ano na, unsa ni nga kind of pleasure te? The question is what small everyday pleasure do you love?
Pleasure? What pleasure? This is very personal.
What kind of pleasure?
What pleasure? Let's
Small lang man.
What pleasure? What pleasure? Malingaw
Just
ka.
use
That you become happy at
barbecue stick. To pleasure me.
For me, only like listening music. Sweet pleasure.
listening music.
Yeah, like that.
You want orgasmic music?
Uy, mana imo yun. The one is different. The pleasure you mean.
Flirting again.
Okay, so music. She likes music.
Flirt. Kuya Chris is so flirty. The one that I describe him.
Bitch, pag-yut ko. Naina pa din yun.
This one is good because they're speaking English.
Yeah.
Watching movies.
We're speaking.
Yeah, that's my favorite
Watching
hobby.
Netflix.
Ikaw na te.
Ako na. Ako
Manager na.
Manager. Who was your closest friend and what did you like most about them?
Closest friend.
I think I have so many closest friends. I cannot all of them.
You can make a mention Flavia.
Ayun yun.
Di na ako i-upload. Di na ako i-upload. I won't upload this, promise.
I think it's Mitch and Jane.
Mitch and
Because
Jane.
regardless of what's going on, whether you're high, you're low, whatever, they're always there for me.
Kisa natin.
Si Ate Mitch, kailan mi?
To si Mitch. Tinato di rin.
Oh, yan. Yan.
Sorry.
Meaningful mix.
Dali ka may kami.
Dapat na mo tami ana. Dito. Kahit di ko ana.
Dapat maging ano, din dito ano, mga immigrants.
Ato na picture na naman ako. Tara na ako i-copy.
Opal niyo.
Ito yung request na natin dito.
Wala din may nga dito na card niya.
Kami ana.
Di sila to.
Kami wala.
Wala man mo.
Wala mga cognitive dito ah.
Na good.
Oh, that's why nga may nga.
Boring kayo. Okay, yan.
What things do you crave to be reassured about? I guess that I'm not alone. That I have people with me. That I have my loved ones.
Yan.
Yeah. What things do you crave to be reassured about? I want to be reassured that I'm not alone. that I have my family with me.
Yeah.
I have my girlfriend with me. I have God with
Ah,
me.
the assurance.
Yeah, those are pretty much.
Oh, tissue.
It's reassuring.
Uy, nakailang beses yan. Wala, not joke. Emotional yan.
Emotional din ni siya.
Emotional yan. Kogyu.
Uy, te, ano po siya, te?
Nani na lang. Change. I will ask question and all of you will answer.
Okay.
Okay?
Ikaw bonus.
All of you will answer the question.
Yes, okay.
Okay. What advice would you tell your 14-year-old self? What advice?
First, Gigi.
Gigi, what advice will you tell to your
Salamat
maybe
siya
younger
first.
self?
To your younger self.
I would tell my 14-year-old self, like, whatever happens, like, you can do it.
Yeah.
Like, you can do it.
You can push it.
Yes. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Yeah, no.
What about you?
Uy, kayo!
My advice to my younger self if I'm 14 years old, probably whatever people saying that you are black, you are very white deep inside.
Yeah.
That's very deep.
So unmeaningful.
And why are you looking at Kuya Peter like...
They're looking forward to have the same age with you.
Me?
Yeah.
And still look as young as I do.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, Kyle.
What's
What's your advice for 14 years young?
Young of myself?
Yeah.
Probably
Study less.
no. I'll still study. Should if I do have money, I wanna.
I think this is harder than
explore
PTE.
More, no. I wanna explore more theme parks. Like if I can just
You
go
didn't
anywhere
enjoy
else.
much
Yeah.
as young.
I wanna enjoy like childhoods.
Because he didn't
That's it.
enjoy much his
You didn't
young
enjoy.
self.
Same.
Because they study.
Not to focus on studying.
You have to
Better
enjoy.
Yes.
Explore, do.
Don't take life seriously.
Seriously. Correct.
No, don't take life.
But we don't have money that time, so
Yeah, that's why. So focus on study.
Focus on study
Okay,
just
we
to-
don't have choice.
we don't have choice.
What about you, Pete? What will you tell to
It's
your
easy for
14-year-old
me.
self?
If I was 14,
It's in Australia.
If I was me now talking to myself at 14, I would say find a Christian girl to marry first. Don't marry the first girl you see. Just make sure she's Christian.
Don't
has-
marry the
has the right values. And that's my advice to my 14-year-old self.
Yeah.
Just only fresh
God-centered,
pleasure.
yeah.
God-centered.
Next.
And now you are nearly 14. You got a godly centered.
Why she have horns?
Because she's always horny. That's
You know what?
Why she got horns? Because she's horny.
Pag yun ako godly. Godly centered. Pag she got horn.
Why she got horn?
There's nothing to be embarrassed about, love. We love each other.
Yeah,
We
we're
love each other.
She's
No, I'm not horny at all. Because I'm very tired.
Maybe when you get home, you'll be
Oh
horny.
my God! It's recorded.
okay. I'm not saying.
If I am 14 years old,
So why she got
at
What would you tell
the
her?
moment I will advise to myself that I have to study more and more
Huh?
because I want to succeed. Like I want to be a flight stewardess, you know?
Oh,
I
you can
want
still
to-
do
I
that
want to explore.
because there's a lot
The
of
world.
big
The
lady
world.
in
Stay away
Qantas.
from Muslim
They're so
guys.
big.
Yes.
Their flight
Stay
stewardess
away
in
from
Qantas like
Stay away from Muslim.
we walk in the aisle. They're
Yeah.
too big.
Yeah, that's
They don't
why.
find more 60 now.
So you
I want
So
to
that they can
explore.
pay only
I
less
want to-
pay.
So you're not-
So
I
when you
really
go
want
to
to
Qantas to
finish
become
my-
a flight stewardess, they only pay you.
So hindi ka nag-study well.
Wala.
So she doesn't study. You know
I'm
that.
always having cutting classes.
Oh,
That's why I
that's so sad.
ended up like cleaning the poo now because I'm not studying hard.
So you want to be an attorney,
Okay, we
engineer?
I want a
You
flight
know,
stewardess because I want to travel around the
We
world.
also study
That's what-
hard, but
and
still.
I don't
we
like
end
to
up
remarry
feeling
straight
full.
away. I have to enjoy life more and more, you know?
Oh.
Yes. That's what I really like.
You have lots of regret.
But you got this one.
It seems like you regret a lot.
That's right.
Yan.
But I don't have to
Yan,
regret because I have
I'll tell
kids
you,
now.
you can still help your mom to become a flight stewardess.
Ian, you're emotional.
She
Actually-
can do it one
actually,
task.
nag-train
There
sa,
are-
ano,
there's a
sa-
lot of
sa
mama
Salad
in there.
Drama.
Gani no, asa mo kakita rin mga tarong nga mga kanang sexy nga kwan purs man ni mga mama ning nasa kwantas nga sila.
Okay, Ian.
Oh,
Ayan.
wala yung ganahan siguro nga
Oh, wala pa
bata
nakaso
ko.
si Ayan yan.
Oh, wala pa
Yan,
next
what
na
is your advice to your younger self?
Yeah.
To have a
4 years
song-
ago.
4 years ago, yeah.
Or
that was
5 years.
14 years.
14 years, yeah, that was around COVID. Mom wasn't around, so decide things for yourself. Try to see what works and what doesn't. Grab any opportunities that you can. Do not wait for any perfect time.
Kuyo kasi yan yung
So,
kurang
if
pina-AI
there
yung
comes a chance,
answer.
just get it.
Gani. Unya. Pildi mo niyang mama.
Ay, daw na.
Ito ko kay simple ra kaya to ang mga
Muli na natab, muli na natab.
Amo kay mga simple lang kaya mo ana.
Dili mo ka-answer.
Ay, wala pa natubag si GM.
Si GM?
Si Jem.
Kinsa may GM.
Si Gemma. Si Gemma. Si Gemma.
I think the same with what I say. I will not take life
A copy.
seriously. You should
Enjoy,
have fun,
enjoy.
enjoy because all of us will gonna die anyway. And don't die being what we call this, worrying, you know, don't
Too much
die
work.
being anxious. So yeah, I think you need to really train yourself
To enjoy.
to enjoy and make a decision every day that you will wake
Eden,
up
you wanna
happy.
sleep now?
Correct.
Yes.
Ay, daog na si Tikataw eh.
Yeah. Huh?
Daog na siya.
Daog na.
First runner-up si Ayan. First runner-up na si Ayan.
Kani. What is your favorite thing to do with others? Not sexual.
Hoy, mga si Kuya Chris. Iya mo dyan na yaha.
Huwag mo na sa mga gawas.
What with others though?
Okay, go.
Not sexual.
No sexual.
Not sexual but kissing. Up only on top.
Okay, I love to be with people because I'm a people person.
Yeah.
I love talking. I love like this one. Like
yeah.
we talk, we laugh, we we discuss our issues, we make plans, all those kinds of
And
things.
I will say like same.
Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste. Same. Okay.
I like saying.
Okay, no copy and paste.
No copy paste.
I want to do it.
How could you do that? We have the same thinking.
Wow.
Ano ba na?
Galing. Sige,
Yeah,
go.
ikaw po, same food ka.
Walay kopyahan na yung answer ba?
For me, I like to travel with, yeah.
With other people, not you don't know.
No, with,
With
ay, nani, specific.
other people. The question is other people.
Yeah, other people.
That's not family. Other people.
Yeah.
Strangers.
I want to,
Others. What are your favorite things to do with others?
Others. People.
I want to ask, like, what happened to their lives.
Marites.
So you like gossip?
Sort of.
Dapat yun na yung gossip. I wanna do gossip. Same naman. Oy, that's why you tell like I'm a people person. Ano man ang mga people person gossip.
Tingnan lagi.
Uy, I like your answer. You're the best.
People person.
Just making it like,
Kuha na to siya improve.
yeah.
People
The best.
Gossip gid.
You want to be Marites?
It is scary, isn't it? Like,
No,
you're gonna talk to,
That's correct.
yeah, you talk to the resident.
I'm gonna hug you.
Like, you talk to resident, like, how are you today?
But you can tell people person, yep. I'm a people person, but you need to ask the personal and gossip.
No, not personal. It's just
Marites.
like, how are you?
Okay, stop
How
na
are
tayo.
you
May
today?
nanalo na. Stop na tayo. May nanalo.
For the person.
Oh, yeah, that's still gossip.
Isn't it that's how we talk to resident?
It's still gossip.
We're gonna talk to them like, how
Don't
are you
talk to-
today? What happened?
Yeah, Marites.
It's still like Marites.
Yeah, Marites. That's correct.
Ikaw mo answer.
Oh, ikaw na. It's the
Still like,
same.
inyo lang gina-evolve ang word nga people person.
I want to tease people only. Different.
These other people.
Yeah, tease.
The question is, what is your favorite thing
Tarungan na
to
imong
do with
answer.
others?
Okay. Maybe help them if they have problems in their
see.
lives. Maybe
How you can help them?
if they
Giving them
suicidal,
pleasure?
if they're feeling suicidal, I will report them to the
And you're gonna report yourself too.
You have to report. What will you do if you want to suicide?
Yeah, that one. Back to you. Back to the GM.
Oh, 4-3-0. Di ba, te?
And report to
Ikaw yan, what will you do yan? If she will go
What
suicide?
is your favorite
No,
thing
the
to
question,
do with
the answer,
others?
you cannot ask that.
No, that's my answer. I'm
Yeah.
not.
Okay, that's your answer.
But Ian, you're asking
If
Ian now.
someone having a problem, then you will gonna report
Yeah,
it
report to them so I can help people.
Okay.
Okay, yan na.
Okay.
Who's next?
Okay.
Yan.
Next, Peter.
Peter na.
Okay.
Ay, ikaw naman niya. Ikaw
Yan
na.
sa kay ko.
Yan.
I'm not thinking so.
Okay, yan. He's still analyzing.
What do I love?
Loading.
What do I love to do when I'm with others? I just ignore them.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I think that's the other word. I think that's the other word of rudeness.
Tama, that's correct.
Yeah,
That's the other word of rudeness.
Okay, you.
That's valid.
That's valid.
Yeah. Your
That's
feelings
true.
valid.
Murag same time ni Ana.
Okay, I love to the other people.
Ala, chismosa po.
I like to manipulate.
Oh.
That's your talent, isn't it? That's your talent, isn't it?
What?
You can help
Manipulate.
many.
Manipulate like even they are not good, but I'm manipulating them that they are good.
That's good. In a good way. Manipulating them in a good way.
Manipulating with a good way.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Okay,
How can you manipulate him?
How did you manage to manipulate him?
Yes.
That's easy for me.
Yes.
My most
You
and
manipulate.
it's not sexual. My most favourite thing to do with other people is to attend church. I love my church. I love my brothers and sisters at church. That's my favourite thing in the week. That 1 hour in the week to attend church with my brothers and sisters.
No. Church mo lang.
Ikaw, sige.
Me?
Ikaw, one to kuya.
And that was the only sensible answer you got out of it.
Me, it's different. I wanna listen the complaints from other people.
Complaints. The problems. You mean problem.
But it's an improved gossip too.
Level 2. Level 1.
People person.
Different kind of level.
Okay, Jairus.
Jairus.
No, he's too focused. Don't
Jairus, you want to answer the question? What is your favorite thing to do with
Other
others?
people.
Nothing? Okay, ayaw niya.
Yeah, just
Okay,
ignore.
this one, this one.
Like,
I see. Nag-answer na ba ka?
Man ako.
Okay.
People
People,
person.
ikaw na pinaka-first.
Copy and paste, eh?
Copy paste.
Marites level.
Smartest level.
Okay, listen guys. What is one thing you can't live without?
One thing.
One thing you can't live without. You can't live
Maybe
without
that one
coffee.
is general.
yes. Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Rice is life.
So, what's your answer tayo?
Rice is life.
Rice. You can't live without rice. Pwede na. You
Yeah.
can't live.
For me, money.
Money.
Yes.
That's true.
That's true.
Yeah, you can live without money, yeah? You can live.
At least you're honest.
You can't, yeah?
Yeah.
No, you answer first.
Yeah, that one money.
Okay, correct. What's the reason?
Simple, like you can live without money.
You need to pay your bills.
Okay. How about you?
Well, the one thing I can't live without is my faith. Because you
Copy
see,
and paste.
so that you will answer different. That's it.
Copy and paste.
Because without him, I'm nothing. Without making belt as an instrument for my success in life. I'm nothing. Nothing. That's all. Keep it. Different
I can't
answer.
live without Kathy.
Yeah.
I can't live without her.
Okay,
It's
Catherine.
easy.
Me?
Loading. Loading.
Copy and paste. Copy and
Copy
paste.
paste. Copy paste.
Me, my family.
All.
All family.
Yeah.
My
Family
family
person.
is first, you know. I'm a family person, so if I without family,
You're
I
nothing.
prefer to die, you know. Yes.
Yan.
One thing I can't live without, this is obvious, internet. I can't live without internet.
Internet.
Yeah.
True.
No internet. True.
True.
Kuya!
Sorry, I have.
Dali, Ron.
Okay, Ron, kabel ko.
Saan na mo?
You're avoiding. They are avoiding.
Okay.
Okay, next question. What is your favorite joke?
Favorite joke? Oh, that's good. I like that. Ikaw, Tibel.
There's a lot.
I don't know. Favorite joke? I can't remember.
What's your favorite joke?
Okay, my favorite joke is this one. I'm not being racist, okay? But someone asked the Indians, I will give you $100 if you answer a question without moving.
Yeah, moving
Without moving your
And
head.
then,
You know? And then the Indian, the man said, where have you been? I've been to India.
so they can have the 100 because they
So they cannot handle
because that's their behavior.
But
That's
their
yes.
behavior.
That's a yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's yes for
That's
them.
yes.
You're just
That's
gonna
it.
shake their
But
head.
even if you will ask, where have you been? I've been to London.
I've been to London. But it's like a no.
Yeah. Say yes.
Don't upload that because it's not a good.
Yes.
Racist. Yeah, it's racist. Hindi na ako ni-upload, te.
Oh, thank you. Nice. Oh,
Ay, ano na nate? Ate, ikuha lang ako siya, i-upload sa YouTube, pero dili siya public. Ano lang siya, te, kanang naka-listed lang. Kanang unpublished. Kanang ako lang account makita. Okay na siya, Di ko gusto na ko ba when we get age in the
yeah,
future.
this is nice to look at.
Even if we get age, Kapit, so we can look the video by privately in ourselves.
Sit down.
Yeah, like
It's
our,
very nice
Yeah.
our
conversation.
video in our wedding.
So we can see ourselves
You
young.
can search in the YouTube. you know.
Yeah. But I will not publish in the public.
Okay, what is your favorite joke, Pete?
Well, one just popped into my head. I mean,
Very
there's
hard.
lots of good jokes, but
Yeah.
did you hear about the Irish woodworm?
Irish woodworm.
The Irish woodworm.
No.
It was found dead in a brick.
The Irish woodworm found dead
In a brick.
in a brick. Is that
What's
joke?
that? Is that a joke?
So you don't get it. see?
No, I didn't get it.
An Irish woodworm.
Woodworm.
Woodworm
Worm.
was found dead in a brick.
Break. What's break?
Oh, the brick.
The brick of the wall.
Yeah, the wall.
It's a woodworm. It was found dead in a brick.
Me.
Anyway,
You had to be there.
I had to be there, Kapit.
It just popped into my
I
head.
don't get it.
An Irish woodworm.
Okay, favorite joke.
Woodworms eat wood. It was found
I
dead in
have
a
no
brick. What
joke
was found
because
dead?
because I'm serious
Is this toilet
type.
paper there?
Yes. I don't know what joke is, you know.
What is your favorite joke? What is your favorite joke?
I don't have.
No, there is a boy. I remember now. There is
Kata
a
ginawa.
boy.
Kata gito.
There is a boy, and he keeps on praying to Mama Mary that please give me a bicycle. And the boy just keeps on praying and praying and praying, but there's no bicycle. So what he did is that he took the Mama Mary, he put it in a plastic bag and he wrapped it. He put it on the cabinet, and then he said, I got Mama Mary. If you will not gonna give me bicycle, I'm not gonna release Mama Mary.
As a hostage.
So he hostage
Mama Mary.
He hostage Mama Mary.
Maybe if that comes out unexpectedly, that's very funny, you know?
Yeah.
The
The way you deliver,
yeah.
it's not how you
Oh,
tell the story.
yeah.
It's how you
Very
deliver.
unexpected.
Yeah.
This is the thing.
Yeah, I know.
Very hard.
The culture too, I think.
Yeah, the culture is
Culture
different.
as well. If you're different culture, you won't understand jokes.
Yeah, that's different.
Different
jokes.
countries,
Yeah.
it won't sound
It's
the
different.
same. It'll be different.
Different.
Yeah.
Isn't mine?
Keep this one.
Wait, what is your
Keep
favorite
this one.
joke? G.
A lot.
What's your favorite joke?
Favorite joke.
I can't remember.
Okay, we
You
can.
said a lot, but then you can't.
Yeah, you can remember. Okay.
One. It's loading. It's loading.
Are you okay? You want water? Okay, yan.
My favorite joke, it's you. Just your jokes.
Mine.
Always
Yeah,
laugh.
just look at your face makes me laugh too.
Okay. Thank you. That's compliment. Am I look like?
Like a clown.
Joke.
Yeah, like a clown.
Okay,
a
like
joke.
clown. Okay, ikaw, Ate
No
Joy.
need to say a word.
No say a word.
No need to say, but ikaw ba?
Yeah, no need to say
You
a word.
will
Look,
funny.
You look like more lah. So the face is.
You will
the
make.
face.
You
Oh, this
know.
one is nice. This one is nice. If you could star in a movie or series, what movie or series would it be?
Ate, repeat question tayo.
If you could be a star
Yes,
in a movie
yes.
or any series, what movie or series would it be?
Okay. Okay, go.
Me, K-drama, because I love really K-drama that to
Okay.
marry rich men.
Yeah.
You will get successful.
Yeah.
Easily. No need to work, no need to strive
Ah,
hard.
you were like a madam.
Yeah, you will easily get a madam. So I like that story.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe a zombie apocalypse series.
And then.
Zombie apocalypse.
Why?
Why?
Fighter, are you a fighter?
You're a fighter.
Yes, I can
You
fight
fight
zombies.
zombies.
Yes, yeah.
Survival.
Yeah, why not?
You like the survival.
Me, I like I'm Cinderella.
Cinderella to
Yes, because
maghinlo first, tapos
yes,
in the
because
end,
they.
Ah,
I am slave before. Yes, and then I will be a queen
in the
at the
future.
end.
So you become beautiful at midnight.
Yes.
Only
No, not midnight. All the
Go
time.
back to original.
I will be queen.
Okay.
Yes.
So he's your prince.
I want to be Prince Charming in Cappy.
Ah!
Yes. They will be my
So I can
Prince
give her a
Charming.
big kiss and turn her
You
into
can
a
make
queen.
her a queen.
Yes, make her a
in the
queen.
midnight.
Okay, next.
Midnight, me, like literal star in the movie. I'm the star.
You want to become falling star? What?
Like main character.
Is that a person?
Easygoing person in the movie. Like easygoing person in the movie.
Okay. If you ask me, I want to be Thalia. Ah!
Maybe Corazon.
I want to be Marimar, that both rich guys gonna, they want me.
Ikaw si
Lots of guys, yeah. That's what I
Itong
want.
lalaki si
Ito, yung bana?
Si Serio.
Oh, Sergio.
Si Serio Santibanez.
Very far.
Yeah. Very far ba?
Maybe you are the worst.
Favorite month. Favorite month.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I've been watching them every day.
Okay, another question. This is very good. If you could change one thing in the world,
Huh?
what would you change? What would you change? If you could change one thing in the world, what would you change?
Lots of aspect.
Okay, one. Only one.
Just one.
Just one.
If you want to change the world, I just want to have no hatred. That's it.
Oh, you took mine. I was thinking of that.
Yeah,
Turn hatred to love.
Yeah, turn hatred to love.
To love, yeah. I don't like it.
Only
You must have
love.
been reading my mind.
You have same
I
analysis,
had the same
same
idea.
thoughts.
She said,
Yeah, you live happy and peacefully.
Yeah, everybody be at
How about
peace.
you, Yan?
What about you, Yan? What
Yeah,
would you change?
It would be similar. Like just not have wars in general. Stop wars. I think it's unnecessary to have. Yeah, multiple lives lost.
May I want that not no lustful minds.
Oh!
It will gone.
She's trying to redeem herself.
Speaking of herself, she wants to change her lustful mind.
No lustful minds, that's it. I hope that it
Yeah,
will
mine's same as Kami Joy's. It's just no more hatred, no more war,
No more war.
no more death. That would be nice, but I'm not God, so I can't do that. So, yeah, just
That's good.
that's all I.
What about you, Chris?
Me, yeah, world peace.
World peace.
Peace.
I think everybody thinks that.
Simple.
Yeah.
Well, if I want to change the world, I want God be with us.
Yeah. Me
God
and
is
the
always with us in
But
our
if-
heart.
No, not no.
Always, yeah?
No, God is with us in a discreet way.
Or bring Jesus back.
Yeah.
Bring Jesus
Yeah.
back.
I want Jesus come back.
Ah,
I want
With
Jesus
him,
come back.
Yeah.
yes, okay. But we're always, God is always.
Yeah, God is with us. God is with us, but discreetly. But I know He's there.
Ah,
They like to book a flight.
That's not changing the world.
I want to meet Jesus. Like,
yeah.
you want to meet
In due
Jesus?
time.
In due time.
Not
Kevin,
now.
we want to meet Jesus. We want to meet Jesus.
Yeah, definitely, most definitely. Want to
But
meet
not
Jesus.
now.
Not now, Kevin. It's too early. We have to travel.
Right now, right this very minute, we all. There we are.
We
We're
are
sitting at
playing
the.
there.
At
But the question is, are we ready on the judgment?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I don't think so.
Everyone's not ready,
Me, I'm
Kevin.
ready.
But you should always be
But
ready.
yeah.
You heard the.
Everyone should
Have you
be,
heard the story about the 10 virgins that went to the wedding supper? 5 of the virgins took extra oil, the other 5 didn't. And then when it came to when the door opened to let them in, the other 5 had to go away to get more oil. And when they come back, the door was closed. Already closed. And they couldn't get in, so they missed out. So it means you've always got to be prepared.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah.
He could come. It's imminent. His return is imminent. So you have to be
Ready.
Ready.
all the time.
Ready.
All the time.
Okay.
Okay.
Jesus.
Next question.
Next question.
What is your favorite memory of your
Tama man.
childhood? What is your favorite memory of your childhood? Ikaw na po day first day.
My favorite memory.
Always first blood yun ka, no? First blood yun ka ba?
A lot.
Of your childhood, of your
Pero pinaka-favorite.
Your favorite.
Pinaka-favorite.
When I can get what I want.
Ulo, sana
Yeah,
all.
because before
Lucky.
it's not. It's very hard for us to get like what we want because we don't have
Money.
Yeah, money to buy something for that. So
But you get to all
we're
what
just
you-
gonna choose
What
to
you-
buy like essential.
Yeah.
So we don't have the chance to buy,
But
Is there
during your childhood,
favorite memory?
What's your favorite childhood?
you're able to buy.
Yeah,
all the.
You are
able
able.
to buy. Yeah, that's why
Okay.
Your memory.
Because
that one.
really,
Yeah,
They
because
able.
very hard.
she able to buy.
Yeah.
She's
Able
able,
all
to
yun.
get whatever she wants when she was a child.
Okay.
That's her favorite memory.
That's the favorite memory.
Sana
Yeah.
all.
Ikaw kaya Chris.
Well, for me, my best favorite childhood days is every day I always with my sister.
Yeah,
we
we
always
always
play
play
outside with the children outside.
Yeah.
We
In the
run.
neighborhood.
We get wounded in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
That's the best.
Playing in
That's
the rain.
my, yeah, in the
Playing the
rain, playing shatong, takya.
Yeah,
Bakit
shuttle.
sila lang?
May
Yeah,
Where?
I know. Where is it now?
Chinese.
Chinese garter.
Every day.
Yeah.
Even though we don't have enough toys,
What we don't have
Malata.
we can still play.
Yeah.
Gusto na itong rubbish yan.
No. No. There's so much human interaction when we were a child.
Yeah, when we were a child, Kevin,
Yeah,
we run.
We're
we
so
go out.
exposed
Yeah, we're
outside.
so
Always
exposed.
outside.
We go out and
And
then
we
you
play
meet
with the
other people,
neighbors.
and you
Like
play
now.
with the neighbors. Yeah, that's the best memory.
Best memories, Kevin. How about you, Kevin?
I didn't have a very good childhood, so it's favourite memory.
Maybe with your parents.
With your parents.
No, sorry, not close to my family at all.
Alright,
No,
never
I'd say favourite memory probably would be arriving in Australia when we
one of the
when we
best.
came from England and we arrived in Australia.
When we are.
Yeah, it was just a big adventure, coming from one side of the world to the other. That was that was probably my
very
favourite memory. Yeah,
Yeah, that's
different world.
That's good, Kevin.
Yeah, my favorite memory when I was a child is with my grandmother is still alive.
Yeah, nanay.
Because we are always cuddling our
Yeah.
grandmother and our grandfather also, our aunties, you know,
Yeah.
before we are
Very
lots,
close,
we
very
are
close.
very close. We're going to Mati
We're
and
going
we go
to church and
Ma-
then we become angel in the
angel
church,
in the
Assumption
church, and then,
Yeah.
and then we are
No,
become an angel.
We are angels.
Yes. That's
During
my
the Flores-
memories
during the
that
Flores
I
de Mayo.
Yeah, Flores de Mayo.
I saw your picture. I have
That's
picture.
the time that
We haven't
I
experienced
did
that.
not forget.
Me and Chris
That's
have
her
Yes.
favorite.
Favorite memory that I had, that I am an angel with you know, with the support of our grandmother, grandfather,
And they're still alive,
aunties, you know.
Yan.
Okay, this another one.
Don't
What
mention-
about you,
Yan, yan.
You don't remember a Carney Joy? Do you remember your
Oh no,
grandmother?
we haven't met
You're
our.
too young.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still a baby.
Okay, don't mention the internet yan, ha?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
Listen,
Yeah, he's already in the computer when he goes up.
Since birth.
Since birth, he's playing in my laptop.
Yan, that is your favorite
yeah.
childhood, Yan?
Play with your brother Rico. No.
No.
we get to play much.
You don't
He
have
was in Buangi and I was still in
How
very
about your
separated.
neighbors? You don't have
Play with
neighbors?
Not much either.
No.
And my mom's always away.
Oh, no time.
Oh my God, what kind of mother are
I think
you?
you need to have a reflection.
Yeah.
You need to reflect.
It's not easy to be a single mother, you know
Oh.
that.
Ah.
I work hard. I work hard for my kids.
Yeah.
Looking
For
for
to survive.
money.
Sorry, yeah.
Yes.
She's
This
a
one
single.
is very good.
Yeah, I don't know. I
Uy,
guess it's,
Teo, pa ka nag-answer, te.
I don't know.
Sa
maybe-
Carme.
Si Joy.
Same Romy Catholics, man.
Yeah, I guess eating the mangoes from our mango business. Just eating the
Ah,
mangoes.
ginawa mo ba ng mangga?
Yeah.
Sige.
Oh,
That's
that's
good.
good.
Good, good, man.
Nakaamala ka, Joy?
Same
Same
Sa
na
Tibel.
childhood.
Si Kuya Chris
Same
ay
lang yun,
Going
like
out,
answer.
playing, having interaction with the kids.
Noise, uy.
Okay, this one. Where would you go on vacation if you had an unlimited budget?
Uy, ko.
Unlimited budget, vacation.
Where would you like to go? With unlimited,
I will
with
go
other-
other
unlimited
places that I
budget.
haven't.
Okay, go.
I've never
Unlimited
been.
budget. Maybe I would like to go to Europe because there's so many countries that you can explore there. Different cultures that you will experience. With unlimited budget, I would like to fly first class.
Yes, business class.
Yeah.
Of course, business
Seven
class.
stars. Seven
Wow.
stars hotel.
No, 7 stars.
Yeah.
Direct flight.
That and you would the limousine will
Hindi na magkuhan, hindi na mag...
limousine will gonna pick you up from the airport and the red roll
Siyempre,
carpet
piliun
will
na
gonna
lang dito ni mo.
roll.
Kung ano ka,
that
unlimited
is
budget.
unlimited
Then 5-star hotel.
and unlimited
7
shopping
star.
with all the signature
Seven-star
brands.
Yes.
Unlimited budget. Okay, dream unlimited. Okay,
Yeah,
Yeah.
same Europe because I haven't been to Europe.
Yeah.
what will you do with the unlimited budget?
Unlimited budget. What do you do with the money?
Buy my luxury
Luxury.
items.
I will go to other
Ikaw,
places
siya
that
naman,
I've
uy.
never been.
Ikaw pa siya naman.
Ano to?
Ah,
Ito naman, natupod ako ah.
Okay, mananap.
With my... No, to other place that I've never been. So, yeah,
I think
the
the
other
most
places.
expensive is Europe.
With my family. And whoever will gonna come with me, then I will,
The love of
you know?
my life, the future.
Shoulder.
Yeah, I will shoulder
all
their
the expenses.
expenses. Yeah.
Parents.
Yan.
Yeah, what's up?
You had enough money.
Bring my GF.
Where would you go?
Where are you going?
Where will you bring your GF?
Somewhere where I can see the northern lights, maybe Greenland.
Norway.
Norway.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
Norway
lucky
would be nice.
girl.
Norway.
Lucky girl.
What are you gonna do with the money?
Unlimited
What would I do with the
Unlimited
money?
budget, sorry.
Unlimited budget. I don't know, just grow the money out, invest in something.
Ah,
Invest in crypto.
crypto. Yeah, unlimited.
Wala siya invest na to.
100,000 Bitcoin.
Investment naman ang luxury. Luxury items.
Okay, si
Mabenta
Madam.
pa.
Okay, Madam.
Yeah, I will rent a jet plane.
You could buy one.
Yeah, unlimited, huh? Yeah, going to anywhere.
To the moon.
Yeah, anywhere in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Hindi magkita-kita na mo dito, te. Sa
Same
Doon na lang.
Yeah, I'd like to go to England,
Yeah.
visit where I used to live,
Yeah.
see how much it's changed. I'd like to go for a flight in a two-seater Spitfire in England, and I'd love to travel to Scotland. I'd like to go to Edinburgh and watch the Royal Tattoo with the bagpipes and everything. And then on the way home, I'd like to stop at Israel. I'd like to visit Israel and walk in the steps of Jesus.
Yeah, I wanna go there too.
Yeah, I'd love to go to Israel. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.
And you, Chris?
Okay, I want to be different because you've been traveling in a luxury country. So I will just go to Buhangin. I will cuddle my mom for the whole holiday, and I will give all the money to all my siblings. And then I don't want. We'll just eat all the like simple foods just to cuddle my mom every day. That's all.
Oh, so sweet.
So
Very mother's boy.
sweet.
Mother's
Yeah.
boy.
Just with my mom.
Mummy's
That's
boy.
enough for me.
You and Cedric would be fighting over her.
Yes, we always kept it.
Okay, this one. Who do you admire most in your life and why?
Huh?
Who
Who?
do you admire most in your life
Even family.
and why? Whoever.
Whoever.
Yeah. Who do you admire?
Si Kuya ko doon na sa puno.
Ah, si Kapitan. Where's Rolly?
Tulog.
My God, all his...
Admire in my life. They're in my
Who do you
life.
admire most in
Well,
your life?
Kathy, obviously, I admire her.
Why?
Why? Because she's so loving and caring to me. She supported me in my grief. We've been together now nearly 7 years. And it feels longer than that.
Yeah.
We get on so well together.
Yeah.
We both follow Collingwood.
Okay.
No, I admire Kathy very much. I'm very proud of her. She works 7 days a week. I'd like to have the money that she could maybe work less days and we could spend more time at home together.
Yeah.
But no, I admire her very much, the way she is with her family. And she's always supporting and helping her family. I admire her so much.
That's
Very
good.
much.
That's good.
Okay, Catherine, who do you admire
Admire?
in your life and why?
Admire?
Ulit.
Pass. Okay.
My brain still,
Okay, next time. Okay, later. Ian, have you fun?
I mean, it's still the same.
Still
I would say
working?
my mom. I would say my
Okay,
mom.
take time.
Oh, si Ate Kati daw. Ako po, I mean, my mom. Yeah, I admire mom because, she raised us,
Yeah.
8 of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, without the support of our father.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very
It's
hard.
very-
It's very
exactly,
tough.
exactly,
Because
yeah.
even just one kid, it's very hard to raise
Very
a kid.
hard.
Yeah. So because I'm now a mother, so I know the hardship that she's been through.
Yeah.
So yeah, I
You
admire
ready?
really my mom.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, no, I'd still have the same answer. It's my mom.
Me, I
Okay,
admire.
mom,
Yeah,
why?
it's still my mom.
Kisa daw.
Okay, you have to.
Kisa daw.
Why?
Even though
Uy,
she wasn't
emotional
there.
naman si Ian. Sige na.
Yeah, no,
Sila, sabi na sa mama.
I mean, it's still the same reason. Like, if resilience was a person, it would be my mom. Like, literally. She's the most resilient person I could ever describe. I think she's the glue that holds the family together.
Because he
'Cause
made a
she's-
lot of hard work.
She's
Thank you,
supported
Matt.
this
Yeah.
family.
Mahal po kasi mo
a
anak
lot.
ko doy.
Good.
Mahal po ni mo anak ko.
I feel like
Iya po ni mo anak ko.
So sweet.
Recorded na tayo lang. Sorry na, uwis ko mama.
My mom, because the same story.
Yeah.
As my dad has
Ah, tissue. Mama magitaw eh.
always my mom.
Mama magitaw.
Yun, mama because we are a mama's girl.
Mamas.
I'm a mama's girl.
Mamas.
Are you mama's boy, love?
No, I was never a mama's
Me?
boy.
Don't mention your mom.
Yeah, you're right. I will not. I admire God like because he gave me the family, mom,
The best mom.
yeah, and relatives that will help me. Come here. Come here in Australia.
To be honest, it's Catherine. Yes, mom, because of course mom is number one, but during that time, Kathy was there in all my journeys. From all journeys, elementary, high school, she was there.
Been there to him.
Financially, Kapit, emotionally.
Always, yes.
She's my friend and my mom.
Yes.
And she borrowed me money. Till now. Till now. Till now. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Now it's payback time. Payback time. Chrissy,
Okay,
pay up,
time
Chris.
down.
Pay up, Chrissy.
He will not gonna hit
No.
that one, the payback.
No, actually, I already paid
No, he's
Kapit
paying
January.
me. He's paying me. I paid her.
Next year is my last
I paid her
payment.
debts. Now
Kapit,
he's paying me.
this January, my payment is full, right? In January.
I'll have to check.
Then after that, if it's at Catherine, you're gonna ask me. Kasi hindi na mabiyan natin, ay, dawat, ikaw sa mga utang.
Okay, let us change the topic, okay?
Nagawa sa mga utang.
It's getting too emotional.
Okay, listen. What conspiracy theory do you believe and why?
What's conspiracy?
Conspiracy theory. So I'll give you example. Like for example, there's a conspiracy theory that COVID was actually created by
Human.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Because you know why? I don't know if it is true or it's not
true.
proven.
It's not a conspiracy.
Because when COVID happens, they already have some testing kits. You know the
ready.
the kits
COVID.
ready, and the
Vaccine.
vaccine is already ready, and they are trying to conspire the world because they want the world to buy it from them. So all the
The
world
money.
in the countries, all imagine during COVID times, the economy of all countries is actually down because there's no activity. People were isolated, but the one who benefits the most apparently are the Chinese because all countries are buying
From China.
everything from China.
The vaccine from
The
China?
vaccine is from China.
Shield.
The-
The
Yeah,
PPEs are from
Ah.
China.
Dagan kasi sila din.
So that's why I don't know if it is true, but
It's
that's what I
conspiracy theory. Yeah.
So,
It's not proven, but it
it's
might
not
be
true,
true.
but it could be
It could be true.
because all the countries, were in lockdown. All countries are in lockdown.
And they
Even
just
China
blame
is
someone
lockdown.
who eat
But
monkeys.
China already have prepared for
Isn't
all
it?
this
All that.
PPEs, all the COVID tests, all
So
the-
your question there is,
So that is what is your conspiracy theory?
She's just giving.
okay, go. Okay, who's ready?
Continue the topic instead.
Okay.
You can say that the conspiracy theory is that actually true that the world
So, Ate Carmen na lang
is
first.
flat or the world is round.
Probably AI will replace the human.
Oh yes, that one
Yeah.
too.
You believe or you don't believe?
Do you believe?
Do you believe?
I believe.
You believe.
She believes that AI will
That
replace
sooner
human.
AI will replace
people.
human.
Yeah.
That's what they're trying to do.
Yeah, that's what they want to,
That's
get replaced the
Because they're
labor.
putting chips in people's brains and
Yeah.
all sorts of
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
That's a conspiracy. So you believe.
That's why I stopped talking to ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Because
And
ChatGPT
you
are
can't-
trying to program your
You
mind.
can't believe anything you see on YouTube either because they make all these fake videos.
Yeah.
And they look like real people with their voices. And it's not even them. AI. It's not even them.
Yeah.
Now, my conspiracy that I believe, it's probably a lot before your time, 1963, John F. Kennedy got assassinated.
Yes.
And they said that Lee Harvey Oswald was the only shooter. I believe that the CIA did it.
Why?
The CIA, because President Kennedy wanted to pull the troops out of Vietnam. He wanted to put an end to the Vietnam War. And they didn't want him to do that. So I
So they
believe
want to continue the war.
they
in
wanted to
Vietnam?
continue the war. So I believe
So
that
how will it benefit them if the war continue in Vietnam?
weapons. They sell weapons to the fight, whoever's fighting. Because war is a great economy. You always notice after a major depression in a country, if there's a war, it stimulates the economy. because they're building weapons and everything like that to fight. So I believe that the CIA were involved in the assassination of President Kennedy. It wasn't just Lee Harvey Oswald. So that's the one I believe.
Do you have any conspiracy theory that you believe, Catherine?
I don't have any idea.
No.
What about you, Yan
Yan
Yan?
yan.
Oh, there was this conspiracy theory about Charlie Kirk, but I forgot what it was.
Oh,
about.
there's so many of them around.
Yeah.
the moment. They're blaming the Jews for doing it now.
Yeah.
They blame everything on the Jews.
I don't believe that conspiracy theory, by the way. Yeah, there was that conspiracy theory.
And that comes from that stupid woman, Candace Owens.
Yeah, no, it was just a propaganda to make the public hate about Jewish people.
That's right.
That's basically what
Yeah.
they're doing.
Yep.
Ito siya na.
May idea. Crazy, ayaw
What
para
about
papili
you, please?
I think the conspiracy theory that I truly believe, but initially I'm not really proving it myself.
What is it?
So what is it? Let me think.
You sounded so serious. I was getting excited.
Okay. I have an idea. I'm just kidding.
So serious.
You were listening, Melvin. I think Bongbong Marcos
Stolen.
Is his father resurrected?
I think he's the brain of all the brain for making Sara Duterte blame for the confidential funds.
Yeah.
So that's what I believe.
And he put her father in jail in The Hague. He
Yeah.
never defended
Yeah.
Rodriguez.
Yeah.
He just let them take him away and put him in jail.
Yeah. No,
Very nice.
I'm very upset because it affected much my mom mentally.
Not only mom.
Yeah.
That's so
Who
beautiful.
does your mum support?
She supported BBM and Sarah, but until she found out that BBM wants to, put down Sarah down, she was really upset. Like she got mentally breakdown.
Really?
That's so.
Okay, another one. This is a good one, so I'm just choosing the
Brilliant idea, right? Brilliant idea, right? Local, international level. Local. Church, Sarah.
He said he is very local and you are international.
You're talking international issues, but I only local. Yeah, Pinoy ako.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I love Australia.
Me too.
Yeah,
Australia
I've been
forever.
to different countries. I've been to America,
Still
so
a lucky country.
I could say that I'm so lucky that I'm
Okay.
here in Australia.
Still a lucky country.
Yeah.
Don't mention Australia.
Okay, I will not. I'm gonna say me too. I'm gonna say me too.
I said don't mention Australia.
I didn't. I said
I
me
didn't.
too. I said me too.
Okay, what? Okay,
I'm
Australia.
lucky that I've been here.
Are you?
Yes. Because I have someone here.
Cool.
Family.
Your family is the most important. Anything else to add?
Not so far. Not so far.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You okay?
Ikaw.
Later na ako.
How about you?
Later na
How
ako.
about you?
Later
How
na ako.
about you?
Ako?
How about you?
Of course, home is
Philippines.
Philippines. This is my home country. My mom lives there. I should be there, but I'm here because of her. Mama.
So where Mama is?
Yeah.
You were gonna go there.
Yeah, I mean, I think Australia is the best one. US isn't really any good. UK has its own problems too.
Europe's got its problems.
Europe's got.
I think much
Australia's.
I mean, Australia's
Since what
government has a
happened
job.
last weekend in
Yeah.
Bondi,
Yeah.
Australia, I hope they crack down on it.
too, yeah.
Crack down on it. Get rid of this
I hope that
anti-Semitism.
would be the last.
Yeah.
Hindi ba sa makatawa ako, magsipon ko.
Ako magkatawa ko, magluha ako.
Pero ay mong nose yun.
To think, Carmi Joy, me and Kathy were talking about it. Me, you, and Rolly were all sitting there looking over Bondi. You know, when we went there, and that's where it was down, just down below there.
You know.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Very terrible.
Kids, children, and old people. You know, terrible.
Okay.
Terrible.
Another
Makes me
question.
terrified.
Finish?
Everyone
Sa
answered.
Tigate lang pa.
Yeah, Australia, of course.
Australia. Okay, what are 3 things that you are thankful for? I'm thankful for my family, I'm thankful for my job, and I'm thankful to God all the time.
Don't mention that.
Likewise.
Yeah, likewise.
Okay, what are the 3 things that you're thankful for?
Family.
God, family.
That everyone is healthy and alive. Then career. Yeah, that's a 2 thing.
One other one.
Sabi ito mong gingon.
God, number 1.
Copy
Yeah,
paste.
God.
Number 1.
God.
Number 1 there.
Thank you.
Yes, I mean, it's pretty much it. Like, first thing, I'm thankful for God. Thankful that I'm awake today. Thankful that I have a purpose and I still feel like myself. So there's that.
With an accent. With an accent.
Mama.
Of course. Number 1, God. Number 2, family. Number 3, career. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same. God first.
God, family.
Family second, and my home.
Yeah.
Home, my food. Yeah,
Career.
everything. And my wife, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, more than 3
I'm
things, yeah?
Lots
There's a lot
Lots
to
of
yeah.
things.
Lots of things.
Yes.
Lots of things I'm grateful for.
Yeah.
I'm thankful, number 1, because you are here with me today.
You're serious again. You started serious. Always start serious and then
Because-
you crack a joke.
As long as I'm very thankful because yeah.
Gi-open na ng kid.
You cannot keep a straight face for more than 2 seconds.
Yeah, I think all you mentioned, number 2,
Yeah.
copy paste. And number 3, I will put special position my sister Catherine. Even she's my family, but she's number 3.
Love, I think he wants some more.
Yeah.
Yes, later.
But I want to add more. If only there's more. She should be part of my number 3. So, pag you share number 3.
50-50.
50.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because number 1, God.
Of course. Number 1, God.
Okay.
Right, Kapit? Yeah. Approve.
Approve.
That's
Oh,
right.
Approve ang loan.
Approve ang law. Renew. Kapit, renew. Wait.
Renew.
If you could have any superpower,
Wow.
what would it be?
Oh, that's easy for me.
Okay, you ask me to be
Fly.
Fly.
I'd love to fly if I had a superpower. I'd love to be up in the sky flying. It'd be brilliant.
one to bell?
Up with the birds,
Yeah. What
flying up in the air with the
Just
birds.
one power.
One superpower.
Okay.
Flying.
Me, I will fly to heaven.
Just fly. So fly. Power. It's a wish.
Superpower.
It should be power. Power.
To heaven.
You have the power to go to the
I
spiritual
didn't
world.
expect that Kathy was gonna say that one. Like, you were
she
gonna
wanted to-
fly to heaven.
Wala. Green. Ay, Pit, update. Tanaw mo, Pit, ha? Kung kisay nakamatay sila. Don't touch the color green, orange, pink,
white, pink. Isa. Sirika? Paano nga? Ganyan eh. Go. Don't touch the color blue, green, white, pink, orange. Orange, green, white, blue. Oh, ano ba siya? Di ko pa. Sige, try it mga to. Final na niya. Final na nila.
Uy, change. Uy,
Ayan, usap-usapa. Sige na. Don't touch the color pink. Orange. Si Karte. Si Miguel o si Ikay. Orange. White. Green. Yellow. White. Don't touch the color yellow, pink, white, orange, green, yellow, white, orange, pink, green, orange. Go!
Merry Christmas!
Basta sa bitay. Hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, 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 hep! Hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Sino mo nabitoy? Okay, center again. Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! 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 Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, Okay.